Hello everyone, I am Chioma Liu. I am back again for an important topic, which is immunization and how important it is to our children. Immunization is the process of protecting, or is a practice of protecting children from diseases through vaccination. Now, how does immunization help our kids? Now, when you vaccinate a child against a disease, this vaccine enters into the body of the child and it recruits an army called antibodies in the system of your children. And these antibodies helps to fight against diseases or infectious diseases. So vaccine is very important. Vaccine is very important when it comes to the health of your child. These antibodies fight bad germs. These are the bad guys of the system. So when you give your children immunization, when they are vaccinated against some of the most of all these infectious diseases, it helps to build their body antibodies. These antibodies are what helps us to fight off infections. It's very important. Now, immunization helps to keep your child from getting very sick. Any child who receives immunization, who is vaccinated, is usually so hard for such a child to come down with sicknesses or illnesses. Now, immunization also helps to prevent the spread of diseases in the community. When you vaccinate your children, there will be reduced spread of any form of disease or infectious diseases that can come up in a community. So the spread will be minimal. Then it also protects vulnerable people in the society, like the young children, like babies, like old people. When you vaccinate, there will be less spread of diseases or less spread of infectious diseases. Immunization is very important, and you can children are immunized or vaccinated against diseases like measles, mumps, rubella, polio, hepatitis B, flu, and so on and so forth. Now, as from childhood, in fact, at birth, when you give birth to your child is supposed to start immunization immediately to a certain age. Even there are some vaccines that you need to take even in your adulthood. So vaccine is very necessary, not only for the babies now, but also for adults like us. So you need to get your children vaccinated against these diseases. Now, there are some reasons some parents give that make them not to be able to take their children for next appointments of their immunization. Now, some of them will say, when I vaccinate my child, they get down with fever. It is normal. This is a part of, this is a side effect of immunization. Any child who is vaccinated, sometimes they can have mild to moderate fever, which is normal. But within few days, all these effects are out of place. So this shouldn't be a concern, or this shouldn't be a reason why you should disallow your children from having immunization. Immunization is very important for children, for their health, to prevent illnesses and to reduce the spread of diseases in our community. So immunization plays a vital role in reducing the number of diseases in the world, and even helps to prevent the spread of all these diseases or outbreaks of diseases. So let us cultivate the habit of getting our children immunized against all these diseases I mentioned earlier. Once you have your child, please endeavor to take them to the health facility for immunization, and the health professionals there will let you know the different stages you should bring your children for each of these vaccines. It is very important. Please ensure your child is vaccinated against deadly diseases. Thank you for listening to me today. Till we meet again. Bye-bye.